Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Next Generation Mechanic. So we're still on ATA 21 air conditioning. We've already covered the air conditioning cooling system, temperature control valves and trim air valves. Today I want to talk about equipment cooling and the recirculation fans. Let's start with the equipment cooling. Airplane computers can get hot, so they need to be cooled. I'll walk you through the system with the schematic and I will explain each component and its role in the equipment cooling system and recirculation fan system. We start with the supply fans, which draw air through a filter located in the equipment bay. This air is then directed to the equipment racks where the computers are housed and also to the computers in the flight deck. There are two supply fans in total. One serves as the primary unit and the other as an alternate. Only one fan per system operates at a time. The exhaust fans pull air from the equipment racks and the flight deck, then dump it overboard through the overboard exhaust vent. I'll tell you more about the overboard exhaust vent later. In the exhaust line from the flight deck, there is a muffler installed to minimize noise in the flight deck from the equipment cooling system. Just like the supply fan, there's also a primary and an alternate exhaust fan, with only one exhaust fan running at a time. Both the supply duct and exhaust duct have smoke detectors. This is to detect any smoke in the equipment cooling system. The equipment cooling system is also equipped with low flow sensors. These low flow sensors monitor airflow in the supply and exhaust duct and trigger a warning light in the flight deck if there is not a sufficient airflow in the equipment cooling system. The overboard exhaust valve, or OEV, is open on the ground to dump equipment cooling air overboard. In flight, the overboard exhaust valve is normally closed and the exhaust air goes under the floor of the forward cargo area to warm it up a bit and then into the recirculation fan supply. As I said, the overboard exhaust valve is normally closed in flight, but there are some exceptions for the overboard exhaust fan to open. For example, if smoke detectors pick up smoke in the equipment cooling system, the flight crew can configure the airplane using overhead switches to activate the smoke removal mode. This will open the overboard exhaust valve and help clear the smoke from the flight deck and electronic equipment bay. Now let's check out the recirculation fans. These fans are there for ventilation and to cut down on how much air we need from the engine bleed air system. There are two of them, one on the left and one on the right. They pull air from between the two cargo compartments and from the cabin through a filter. This filter is a high efficiency particle air or HEPA filter, which means it's super good at removing tiny particles and bacteria from the recirculation air. Then this air gets sent back into the mix manifold. Because we are reusing this air, it takes some of the pressure off the air conditioning system. The arrows that you see are the recirculation fan check valves. They are there to stop conditioned air from the mix manifold from flowing back through the recirculation fans into a cabin zone if the recirculation fan is off. Thank you for watching and see you next time.